Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and welcome to the Aesthetic Associates Center. I bet you didn't know that we have our own dental lab right across the street from our office. It's our lab. We make everything right here in Buffalo. We have over 45 employees working to make your restorations beautiful right here on Kensington Avenue. You can come to our office for your free consultation. If we need to get one of our ceramic technicians involved to match a shade or make your tooth look a little bit different the way you want it to be, we can do that right here. We don't have to send it out to another lab across town or across the country or outside of the country. We do it all right here. It's all American made here in the USA, right here in Buffalo on Kensington Avenue in Amherst, including our mini dental implants that are also made in the United States. Everything we provide is American made materials, and we'd love to show you all the great cosmetic and implant dental procedures that we can offer you. So please give our office a call so we can help you. Come for a free consultation, meet with myself or one of the other professionals that are in our office, and you're gonna leave with a smile on your face. I look forward to seeing you then.